Hello, welcome to ZTalk Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'd like to share how do we quickly enable or disable JavaScript on Chrome. You can see on this page with JavaScript enabled right now, when we click these buttons, we got these dynamic animations down here, right? Which are driven by JavaScript in the background. Here is the trick when we need to enable or disable JavaScript for development real quick. Firstly, go to Developer Tool by shortcut combination Command plus Option plus I on Mac, or same operation on Windows would be Control plus Shift plus I. Here we go. And then you will need to open Command Palette by shortcut Command plus Shift plus P. Same operation on Windows would be Control plus Shift plus P. And then you just need to type in disable JavaScript in the palette like this. And now if you click those buttons, you found out those buttons are not clickable anymore, which means the JavaScript is disabled. So for restoring JavaScript, same procedure. Just open up Command Palette by Command Shift plus P, and then enter Enable JavaScript. And now if you click those buttons, we got those animations back. All right, quick and simple. Thanks for watching today's tip and tricks, and see you next time.